The whole table? Not the whole table.
Not the whole table.
Well,
Darn near the whole
he
table.
bought the whole table.
Pretty much, yeah.
Froggy flips.
Morning.
Morning. You do YouTube, TikTok?
YouTube, Froggy Flips.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. GoPro, I see you all the time.
Yeah, I just saw you post all this stuff, so I thought I'd run over real quick.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay.
How much you have on all the game stuff?
It's kind of ranging. I mean, SNES we're looking at like 180, 150 with everything in it. N64, we're looking like $100, 120.
Okay.
GameCube, 80-ish. The man that actually owns that stuff is right there, so you can definitely ask him.
Oh, okay.
On his prices, I just did a quick little Google search.
Cool.
How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Do you have a price on all the game stuff? Like, if I just took it all?
I want to say at least 700.
7?
Yeah, I think I had to find my truck keys. I might have. Are you interested in this too?
I guess not so much that.
Not so much that.
Yeah,
Well,
I guess.
if you buy it all for 700, I think 2 of these. I'll just throw those in there. Are you interested in Nintendo Powers or anything?
Yeah.
I got a bunch of Nintendo Powers.
Okay.
The PlayStation game, magazines and Game Informers.
Okay.
There's one, I don't know where it went. This one right here goes for at least 80 bucks.
Okay.
But I won't, I'll take it down like, I'll take like 45 for it.
Okay.
But that's the only one I really priced, but I know the Zeldas really sell.
Right. It's pretty cool.
And it's complete too. Most of the Nintendo Powers have all the posters and stuff in them.
Right on. Does all the video game stuff work?
Yes.
It does all work?
The only thing I don't have, I checked this, I could use my PlayStation power supply on it.
Uh-huh.
It turns on, but I don't have no control with it.
Right. Okay.
But it comes on, tells you to change the time, date, and everything like that.
Okay. That's so good. All right, let me see how much I have on there real quick. I wasn't planning on this, so
Right.
I didn't stop and get cash. Let me see. 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 83. 2, 3, 4.
All of it?
All of it.
Oh.
Maybe. We'll see.
And if you throw another $100, I'll say the whole box of magazines.
Okay, let me see here. I may have to pick and choose a little bit. I only have
That's fine.
$4.90 on me.
Okay.
That's what I have.
Now, if you want to, if you can go get more, I'll hold it all for you.
Okay.
If you want me to.
Yeah.
Does
See.
the air compressor work good?
Yep. There's all the cords for everything.
Okay, those are for the Super Nintendo. Does this one have cords too?
Yes. Let me go. I have.
Okay.
Power supply. Let me go find it.
Okay.
Oh, and this does have the extension pack in it.
The red one?
Yep.
Nice. Okay. Is that one just custom painted?
Yep.
Okay. We got 2 controllers in the Donkey Kong game.
This controller right here goes to about 50 bucks
Right.
by itself. And that one goes about 30. Oh, and I do have another controller.
All right, what if we did this?
Yeah.
These 3 systems,
Mhm.
you know, like with the accessories and stuff, and the games that would go with these, the thing of magazines, and then these 3 books right here.
3 books of his.
Okay.
Is that
So,
okay?
Yeah. Yeah. How much are we all
I mean,
looking at?
I don't know, whatever this is,
What'd you say?
490.
490?
Mm-hmm.
That's your call, big man. I was gonna say the SNES I looked up was like around 180, 150-ish, and 64.
Any way you can get a little bit more?
What are you thinking?
I was thinking maybe 560.
560? And that's with the magazines and the
That's
books.
with everything.
So I just got to go to the big machine and get 70 more bucks. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Awesome, man. Thank you.
Yep. No
What was
Appreciate
the
it.
YouTube channel again?
Froggy Flips.
Froggy Flip.
Yep.
Okay, for sure.
Let me give you the 490.
Okay.
I'll bring you 70 more.
Okay, and I'll get see if I can find a box.
Okay.
Get a box.
Cool. So it'd
I
be.
can find one, I'm sure, somewhere.
So then these would be not for me. And
Now,
yeah.
if you do want to take the rest of the games, give me $10, extra $10, you can have the rest of those games.
For the games?
Yep.
Oh yeah, sure, that's fine.
Okay.
So yeah, 80 more bucks.
80 more bucks.
Okay.
So I really don't want to sit on it. You
Right.
know what I mean?
So then I'm taking everything except for the Wii then.
Yeah. But you can take the Wii if you want to.
Okay, cool.
I won't complain one bit.
Okay. All right, so yeah, and then I'm just leaving that then.
Yep.
Okay.
Unless you want to do it for another $10.
So
So 90 bucks?
so you 90 more and I get everything.
Everything.
Bam. I like it. Cool.
And I do got a couple more of these.
I'll get a little extra just in case you bring out something else while I'm gone.
I got two more. I would say I was going to sell my Switch, but my wife would kill me.
All right. So all this is mine. I got to bring in 90 bucks and then we'll talk about the rest of stuff when I get
Okay.
back. Awesome.
Yeah. I found a couple more of these books.
Oh, cool. Cool. What do those bring it up to?
$10 a pop, that's up to you.
Yep.
Awesome.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you, man. That
And we
was,
got everything boxed up, and I'll carry
Appreciate
something
that.
out for you.
that just doesn't happen on a Tuesday.
Right.
Very cool.
Let me ask you one more thing.
Yo.
Do you like Pokemon stuff?
Yes, I love Pokemon stuff.
Give me 1 second.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, here's a whole lot of Pokemon.
Okay, cool.
Just some.
Oh, cool.
I have a couple Charizards in there, and those. I think he
Did he buy all the game systems?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's not every one of them. What's that? One more.
It's pretty cool Charizard pop.
I got 2 Monopolies in here. A few other things.
Inside there?
Yep. Got the boxes for the old Burger King toys. That's not nothing. Got that. Got these.
Oh, cool. Those were neat.
Got cups.
Cool.
Computer work good and everything?
Yeah, I mean, I bought
Got
it
the movies?
recently.
Okay.
Got
Maybe used it for like less than a month.
a mat.
but-
Oh, nice.
Everything leaned back.
Yeah, everything works on it. The footstool I never used, so I never put it on, but it just slides in.
Okay.
Got the old Monopoly.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What about the TV?
A little bit newer Monopoly.
TV,
Right.
I mean, besides being, you know,
That's
an
cool.
ancient piece of technology at this point of
Magazine.
time.
Okay.
works
And that's
fine.
pretty much everything right here is anything worth
The pots
anything.
work
Yeah.
fine, they're not loose or anything.
So what are you thinking?
I mean, I got 80 left. So,
80 left?
Yeah.
Okay, you can do whatever you want to do.
More gaming
Oh, those are all
systems at the bottom?
sold.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
all that's sold. Fortunately, that's all I had. Yeah.
Let's see. These are figures and stuff. Those are neat. 2018.
Yeah, the newer ones.
Yeah. Are these just mainly like,
Yeah, NCT.
okay,
stuff.
cool. Right on.
I had a lot more, but somebody bought a lot of my stuff before.
Yeah. Are these mainly like the celebrations in this one?
No,
Or
not all of them.
Kind of a mixture.
Actually, those ones might be the celebrations.
Yeah, there's some
And,
celebration.
My
It's a little bit of a
Charizard
mixture.
should be in there.
Okay. Alright, well what if, I really like all the little figures. Alright, what would that pile cost right here? Can we leave behind like the Monopolies and stuff like that?
What do you think?
What are we,
We're doing that.
the whole lot?
No, just right there.
Oh, just that.
How much? Oh, it's not my business. What am I asking?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we gotta take consideration. You only have $80.
Yeah, that's all I have on me
Okay,
now.
so we're at how much we're at right now? 580 still.
Oh, he already paid for that.
Yeah, it's all paid
Already
up.
got that.
So all that stuff, say like 60 bucks.
60. That
Cool.
sound fair to you?
Yeah, that's good. All right, what if we have this guy?
Adam.
Adam, we'll throw it in.
Oh, awesome. Appreciate it.
The whole table? Not the whole table.
Not the whole table.
Well,
darn near the whole
he
table.
bought the whole table.
Pretty much, yeah. Pleasure doing business with you guys.
Yep. I come across this kind of stuff all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
I never see these older Pokemons. Those are really cool.
There they are.
Okay.
I like the Charizard, so that's the one I
Right.
usually collect.
All right. I'll make a couple trips here.
Yep. Yeah, as soon as you left to go get some more money, the lady pulled out that. Do you have any game systems left? Nope, they just sold.
That was a dangerous thing to leave. I'm glad I had some money with me.
Right, yeah, I wasn't.
Is that all of it?
Is that all of it?
I think so.
Okay.
Awesome, man. Appreciate you.
No problem.
Cool.
Hey, nice.
All right. Good luck with it, guys.
We'll have as much time as we can.
Right on. All right, we are back in the garage, and I have actually already recorded this part once, but when I watched it back, it was just wordy and annoying. I'm gonna give you like the 2 to 3 minute version. This was a yard sale that popped up on like a Tuesday at 11 a.m. I saw the Facebook ad like 6 minutes after it was posted. It was 9 minutes away from me. All things considered, I didn't have a ton of money in my wallet because I was not expecting to go to a yard sale. But in the picture, I saw some vintage video game consoles that I needed to kind of fill in some spaces on this little project I was working on, where after I picked up this Neo Geo AES Gold system a while back, I kind of felt like I wanted to build a small retro console collection slash testing station slash just cool nostalgic shelf to be able to look at. So when I first asked for a price, it was way more than I was willing to spend, but the price just started getting lower and lower the more we broke it down, and then we added more stuff, and by the end of it, it was a really good deal, to the point where all I really cared about was getting the consoles for free once I sold the other stuff that I didn't care about. And I think I accomplished that and might actually end up in the profit. As far as the console collection goes, I still have one more space I need to fill. I would like to put a Dreamcast in here and possibly replace the PS1 with a PS2. Other than that, I'm really happy with how it looks. I got these drawers over here that I'm going to keep the accessories for each console bagged up and ready to go, so I can easily pull down any console that I want to use at any given time and hook it up very easily. So as far as getting the money back, the rest of the deal was pretty fantastic. I think we're into everything for about $670. We got all these books here, like these Pokemon books, the Dragon Ball books, and the Zelda book. I think they had these marked at 20 a piece, and I was hoping that they would have more potential, but I think realistically that these are worth about 10 a piece, maybe 15 on some of them. We got like the $25 Charizard Select there. A couple common Funkos like the Charizard and the Silver Charmander. They're probably $10 or $12 pops. And then the first thing I saw real potential in was this box of Nintendo Power magazines. And there did end up being a few good ones in there. Final Fantasy Strategy Guide, which I think sells for between like 50 and 100 bucks, as well as this Dragon Warrior Strategy Guide, which is another 30 bucks or so. I have most of these bagged up to go into the booth right now, but there's like 80 issues in here, so even if a big chunk of these go on the shelf for like $3 a piece, that's still going to get quite a bit of the money back. And then add that to the ones that are definitely worth quite a bit more. There's some extra controllers in here, plus all the cords. I'm not going to need all the controllers, so some of those might get sold. There's what I gathered to be about $200 worth of games here, nothing crazy. And then we have the old Tomy Japanese pocket monster figures. Here's a Charmander. This one's probably the lowest value, probably 10 or 15 bucks on that one. Then we have the Pikachu version sealed in the package. This one I think brings like 20 to 30 in maybe. And then we have the 3-pack here that features Charizard, which should sell for like 50 to 70 bucks on that one, so that's very cool. There were some pretty decent cards in this little tin. A few of the heavy hitters from Celebrations, like the Gold Shiny Mew, near mint condition. That one sells pretty well. We have the Shining Magic card from Celebrations, which is like a $15 card or so. Actually have the Charizard from Celebrations, which I think is the best card out of the 50 card master set. Again, near mint, so that one should do really well. I actually have the complete master set of Celebrations, and I think this Charizard is even better centered than mine. And then we even have the 2016 reverse holo Charizard from the XY Evolution set. Very nice condition on that one, so that was kind of exciting to find in there. And then a bunch of other just kind of decent stuff, but I think those were the heavy hitters right there. And then a Wii with no cords or anything. There might be a game in there, I have no clue. So again, the method to my madness was just to try to break even by selling this other stuff and get the consoles for free. Let's kind of add it up real fast. These are all 10 to 12 bucks a piece, and this one's 20 or 25. Then we're looking at about 100 bucks right there. 3 to 350 range as far as the magazines go. Depending on which controllers I decide to keep and which ones I decide to sell, there may be another 50 bucks in here. So we're around 450 to be conservative. Make that about 500, 530, 540. The stack of games, call it 740. And then the cards, there's probably $200 worth there. So call it 940s. We're in the profit even after all the fees and stuff are taken out of it. That is all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the videos. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.